Hey beauties, it's Ashley. This week's video is about Project Influencer Season 2, and this week's influencer is CKey. Today I'm super excited to be using CKey's bundle. It comes in this nice purple perfecting bag, and let's see what's inside. We have Verified, which is our liquid eyeliner. We have Beverly Hills, which has 5 shades, and we have the eyebrow gel in dark brown. Can't wait to use it. Along with her bundle, her favorites are Khaki eyebrow gel, light blonde eyebrow gel, brush number 20, Blissful Highlighter, Bali Highlighter, Star Island Highlighter, Rodeo Drive Highlighter, and last but not least, we have our makeup fixer, which is our setting spray. These amazing products will be marked down 40% off this week. First, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows with the dark brown eyebrow gel and our brush number 18, which has a spoolie on one end and a slanted brush on the other end. A little goes a long way with this product. Now I'm going to use Beverly Hills as eyeshadow with our brush number 11. I'm going to use the lightest shade right here. And now I'm going to tape the deeper gold shade for the outer part of my lid. She cute. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite liquid eyeliner, Verified. To finish off my look, I'm going to use the Beverly Hills highlighter, and I'm going to stick to these 2 shades over here on this side. Now my friend Rachel is going to show you how she uses CKey's bundle.
Hi guys, I'm Rachel, and I'm going to show you how I use CKey's bundle to get this look. The first product I'm going in with from CKey's bundle is the dark brown eyebrow gel. And to apply it, I'm going to use brush number 18. I love this brow gel because not only is it long lasting, but it's very buildable. Now that I have my brows on, I'm going to go in and use this highlighter as an eyeshadow. I'm going to take my finger and swirl all the shades together. So now I'm going to go into my inner corner and use the lightest shade. But first I'm going to wet my brush using one of CKey's favorite, the makeup fixer, which is our setting spray. Next I'm going to use these 2 lighter shades to highlight the high points of my cheeks. The last product from CKey's bundle that I'm going in with is our Verified liquid eyeliner. What I love about this liner is that it's a brush and not a felt tip, so as you can see, it's very easy to use. Now that I put on lashes and popped on a lip, you can see how easy it was to use CKey's bundle. I love it so much because it's an everyday go-to and can even be used for some nighttime glam. Thanks for watching, beauties. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button down below and leave a comment on what your favorite product was from this bundle. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time, beauties.